Hi guys, quick video this time. Just thought I would share what I found out on Fusion 360. As you all know, I am bad cough. Again, but in Fusion 360 you have this ability where you can project or you can create an offset or whatever, and there is this ability to do it to an object. Problem is then that you do not actually automatically see the value you want. Well, I found out something today. If, let's say, I want to make an offset, I select this plane, click offset, and then you get this. Here, yeah. So normally if you want to go to an object, you say to object and you select a point wherever you want in the frame, like here, and then it places it there. But you cannot actually see the value anywhere of how long that distance it traversed was. Well, it is easy to see that, because instead of just using to object, you just basically leave it at distance and then you select the point, and voila, you can see the whole distance it traveled. Way, if you did the distance to object, let's say you did that, so plane, sorry, talking really affects my voice. So there you can do to object, and then you can select the object you want to get to. Then you can see the value here, but you can also just if you try to change it, it will show roughly the value. So here, and offset to object there, and then you can select here. I can also measure, and you also get the same value. Now I think it's easier to just go in to the offset, just leave it at distance, and just click the object, and you get the exact same value. So if you need to know the exact distance that you need to travel, then that's an easy way to do it. So I just thought I would share that. Thanks for watching this really short video. Bye bye.